How to earn income with Bitcoin. 5 proven strategies for 2024 and beyond. Hi, my name is Erik Burton with ericburton.com. The basics of Bitcoin investing. Okay, you can call it investing if you want to. I mean, it's part of the, securities of investments. There's all kinds of investments that you could make. Bitcoin investing offers potential rewards, but comes with risks like everything else does. If you put money into a bank, that's pretty much a risk. Okay. They may not be able to want to give it back to you at some point. I know a lot of people that have experienced that, but understanding Bitcoin and the blockchain technology. This is one thing that you don't actually have to understand to just invest into it, because you see the growth of it week by week, day by day, year by year, okay? And Bitcoin has shown that it has outgrown everything on existence in the financial market in the past 10 years, even the S&P 500, okay? And assessing the risk and volatility. There's always going to be volatility in pretty much every financial process that you invest into. That's understandable. Utilizing platforms and tools, which I'm going to go over specifically. Choosing a reliable Bitcoin exchange. And what it means by Bitcoin exchange is you're exchanging your fiat currency or your dollars from your bank accounts into Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. That's the start of it. That's how you can take cash or digital money from your bank, which it already is digital to them, because if you think they have all of your $10,000 in cash that they can give you right today, you're actually incorrect about that. In most institutions, they don't have that kind of physical cash available, but we call it fiat currency anyway, but it's still ones and zeros on a dashboard or a computer screen at the bank, just like anything else, okay? Well, that's what Bitcoin is too, but you become your own bank, okay? Let me state that again. You become your own bank when you have your own Bitcoin cold storage wallet, okay? Security and managing a Bitcoin wallet. We'll get into that into another video, but that's a part of the strategy of hodling your Bitcoin. You can just hold on to it, buy it for $60,000 and hold on to it, and 3 years later it's worth $300,000 a coin. I mean, that's very possible in today's market. Alternative Bitcoin earning methods. Bitcoin lending, accepting Bitcoin for goods and services, affiliate marketing for Bitcoin products. Affiliate marketing is also what I'll get into here in a moment, but it's not really that. It's more mining pools and understanding that between now and, which is 2024, and say 2035, the mining of the Bitcoin is really getting into full swing, and you want to be a part of it because it's only got about a 12-year shelf life before all of the Bitcoin is going to be mined. And guess what happens then? There's not going to be any Bitcoin left, and there's only going to be certain entities that control it in their wallets. How much do you think Bitcoin is going to be worth then? Okay, because it's a finite resource, and you have some of that resource, okay, that people want, okay? Strategies for earning income with Bitcoin. Buy and hold strategy, which is like hodling. Trading Bitcoin, which we'll get into another video with that. Bitcoin mining, which I'll show you a couple programs that I'm a part of and what I've been doing so far in Bitcoin that have really worked for me. Earning interest through lending, which is also staking. Okay, you can stake your Bitcoin. And exploring staking and yielding farms. There's several things about avoiding pitfalls and enhanced security, but that's exactly what the Bitcoin mining also does. If you've heard Michael Saylor talk about how Bitcoin miners are actually producing better security on the Bitcoin blockchain. So Bitcoin is here to stay. It's fluctuating. It's going up and down. I think it's about 60,000 per coin right now. It was about 68 to 70,000 per coin, but it was also $42,000 per coin in January of 2024, and here it is, August of 2024, and it's 60,000. So it has continued to gain and rise in stature and rise also in profitability. Let's take a look at a couple of those Bitcoin mining and actual opportunities that I've been a part of here for the past year. Okay, as you can see, this is my back office in a program called Cryptex. It's a platform that does Bitcoin mining on its own, and it uses what they call digital contracts. You're basically buying a certificate of deposit, and once you utilize that certificate of deposit, you are earning a BTC reward percentage of all the reward percentages that they make transactions on the blockchain with. I'm not going to go into detail specifically, but I will say that if we scroll down here, since November of 2023, this is my entire profit at this point in this current platform. Now, profits from staking and this is Bitcoin, profits from staking have been 164,000. Now, how did I do that? I actually started with $1,200. Now, over time, that $1,200 has been turning into consistent profits every day because I'm earning BTC rewards from this contract. That's how you earn the interest basically from this contract. Here are the rewards referral staking profits, a lot more than the actual staking profits themselves. And this is from affiliate marketing and marketing Bitcoin as an opportunity. I want to really get out there that Bitcoin is an option for people who just don't even know anything about it. And one of the things that people talk about is they just don't know anything about Bitcoin. It's like, well, what do you know about certificates of deposit? What do you know about what the bank is doing with the money that you're putting in there? All you care about is putting 1,000 in and maybe in a year getting back $1,100 or having interest accrued on that account. Okay? Why do you have to know every little detail? Because that doesn't mean that you're going to be successful. But what the numbers have stated in Bitcoin up to this point is that it's leading every financial option that you could have made in the last 10 years by a landslide in percentages of profit. Okay, let's go to my next platform opportunity that you'll see that's part of a Bitcoin mining that's actually giving me Bitcoin rewards into my back office every day. So as you can see, we are in my BitHarvest back office wallet. You'll see the balance there of USDT is $49 total, okay? And I've been earning consistent numbers every day, and I'm going to show you something here. Now, this is my total personal purchases, my personal sales, and my personal team sales, okay? And now you have a wallet platform here that can show you. They've got several different wallets here, but I'll look at my BTC wallet. And you can see you get ranking income, mining rewards. The mining rewards is what I want to focus on, okay? So my mining reward from today is $4.80. And it kind of tells you that. See the details there, but if you can see there, $4.80 on August 4th, 2024. Okay, $4.80. Now let's go to the very end and see the first day. My first day of mining rewards was 34 cents. See that right there? Now, if I highlight this, it'll go into the other page for some reason, but it's 34 cents. So I've gotten from 34 cents in about 3 months to $4.80, and that's per day. And I started at zero. Okay, I started at zero. I actually put $100 of Bitcoin in to start the affiliate process as well. But that's just $4.80 of Bitcoin besides my affiliate income of promoting it to other people, which is right now today $1.77. So if you look at 480, 580, 650. So I've gone from 39 cents on the first day to $6.50 a day. So that's $6.50. So $6 a day times 30 days a month, that's $180. So I've gone from 40 cents a day, let's say, $12 a day to all of a sudden $180 a day. So see how it's growing? Okay, and that's what you want. Between now and 2035, you want to harvest as much Bitcoin as you can possibly harvest and control on your own. That's how you're going to become your own bank. This is for daily and future gains. Because you know what? Bitcoin is also going to go up consistently every week, every day, and every year. Yes, it can go down as well. But I can guarantee you it's not going to be $60,000 a coin in 2035. If it's not $600,000 a coin in 2035, I will be extremely surprised because of the actual lack of Bitcoin, because it's going to be mined up. By 2035, 99% of it will be mined. Okay, and that's what we're doing right here with BitHarvest, okay? So click on the link in the description below if you're interested in either of these platforms. And if you're interested in learning more, you can click those links in the description below, and so you can learn how to earn income with Bitcoin. Okay, my name is Erik Burton with erikburton.com. I will see you on the next video.